Hi, my name is Huia Mitchell and I'm a Clinical Product Analyst at Blackford Analysis. My background is clinical. I have 7 years of experience as a diagnostic radiographer across all of Australia and the UK, and just prior to my joining Blackford, I was a CT application specialist. Recently, the Blackford team attended the ACR Data Summit and SIIM conference in sunny Orlando, and it was really great to be together again and for everyone to get into the same room together. We had a fantastic time and we learnt so much, so we thought it would be lovely to share our key impressions for those who couldn't make it to our Blackford users and our partners. For me, I would say my key takeaways from the conference was the coming together of the community to deliver the AI promise. Of course, the AI hype was referenced a few times, but generally the sentiment was really positive in terms of the progress we are making as a community towards this promise and towards the slope of enlightenment, as Dr. Paul Chang likes to put it. A number of talks were focused on the deployment and adoption of AI, including how to flesh out an AI value proposition and an ROI. In line with the theme of coming together as a community, it was really refreshing to see so many speakers and attendees sharing their real-world experiences together and any tips or tricks they may have come up with during that process. I particularly found a lot of value in the presentation of VRAD's CMO's Dr. Benjamin Strong's presentation, who shared his real-world experience of exactly how he established his AI strategy and the ROI around reducing malpractice. It was also really useful to see how exactly he identified the patient cohort from a well-organized QA data set. And for me, I think sharing such specific and useful experiences really help the wider community towards AI adoption. Further to this, there were also some great talks from the Data Summit reflecting our own efforts in local validation and how we can move towards better AI governance and safety. Blackford exists to improve the lives of patients and populations by unlocking the adoption and benefits of medical imaging AI. So for this reason, we were really excited to see a number of other ologies, including cardiology, dermatology, and pathology, attend this year's conference. From a product perspective, it was really valuable to hear from these specialities how they feel the current state is for the industry in terms of AI adoption, but also where they see the future lies. I particularly enjoyed Dr. Marilyn Bowie's talk. For me, I really enjoyed the insights she shared on some of the pathology AI algorithms being trialed. These include prognosis and prediction, so these algorithms are really exciting and is an exciting space to keep an eye on. Lastly, I wanted to say that also it was important that we as an industry realise that although these specialities and other ologies are incorporating DICOM use into their practice, their workflows are very different from radiology. We all know that a smooth workflow integration is vital for AI adoption, and therefore it is important that vendors start spending some quality time with these AI champions. We had such a fantastic time at the ACR Data Summit and SIIM conference this year. It was so good to see everyone in person again, and thank you for everyone who came and saw us at the booth.